Hello, friends. Welcome to Healthcare with Navneet. Today, we will talk about skincare and skin treatment. Let's explore what skin doctors in India have to say, the treatments available, medicines, and some important warnings. First, common skin problems and their treatments. Disease, acne, doctor's opinion. Acne is often caused by hormonal imbalances or excessive oil production in the skin. Treatment. Maintain good hygiene. Avoid oily and spicy foods. Medicines? 1. Benzoyl peroxide 2. Salicylic acid 3. Clindamycin gel. Warning. Avoid using steroid creams without a doctor's prescription as they can damage the skin. Disease eczema doctor's opinion. Eczema is caused by allergies or inflammation and requires proper treatment. Treatment. Use mild soap and moisturizer regularly. Medicines? 1. Hydrocortisone cream. 2. Calamine lotion 3. Cetirizine antihistamine tablets. Warning. Avoid scratching the skin and follow the doctor's advice for regular treatment. 1.3. Psoriasis doctor's opinion. Psoriasis is an autoimmune condition that results in red patches and scales on the skin. Treatment. Keep the skin moisturized and avoid excessive exposure to sunlight. Medicines? 1. Calcipotriol. 2. Tar-based cream. 3. Methotrexate. Warning. Minimize sun exposure and maintain regular checkups with your doctor. 2. Doctor's opinions. Dermatologist's advice. The key to good skin health is using the right products and not ignoring skin issues. Consult a dermatologist when you notice any skin problems. General tips. 1. Wash your face twice a day. 2. Always use sunscreen. 3. Avoid smoking and excessive alcohol consumption, as these can age your skin faster. Third warnings. Steroid usage. Some people use steroid creams for skin problems without consulting a doctor, which can thin the skin and increase the risk of infections. Overuse of home remedies. While some home remedies can help, excessive or improper use can lead to allergic reactions and worsen skin problems. Frequent product changes. Continuously switching skincare products can irritate the skin and exacerbate problems. Conclusion. Today, we've discussed common skin issues and their treatments. If you're facing any skin problems, make sure to consult a dermatologist. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful health tips.